Hello guys, welcome to our third week of Photoshop learning. This is our intermediate level of Photoshop level. So guys, this is our lesson 11. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove the blemishes or the dark spots or remove the acne or pimples from the face in Photoshop without losing the skin textures and everything. We're gonna just learn it thoroughly in this video. Then I hope you will learn this technique and just turn your editing game to a next level. So let's get started guys. Hello everyone, welcome to our third week of 11th lesson in which we are going to learn how to remove the blemishes from the face or how to remove the pimples from the face with the help of Photoshop. So before any further ado, let's get started. So here, this is the photo, right guys? So here, as you can see on the faces, there are a lot of pimples and spots are present on the face. So we are gonna fix it. So first of all, we'll just make a duplicate layer, or just press Ctrl J from the keyboard, so it will make a same copy of the layer, or else you can directly just drag it and drop on this plus button, or that is a create a new layer, so it will just create a duplicate of that layer. Right now, this is just for the reference. So this is fix. After fixing, let's just name it as after, so you will be able to understand that this was with acne and this is without acne layer, right? So we are going to fix this, all the blemishes. So what we're gonna do is just select the spot healing brush from here, and here the same thing, the process how to increase the size of the brush. That is a bracket key from the keyboard, or you can just right click on the middle of the screen anywhere and increase the size of the brush just like this way from here, right? And you make sure you have selected the soft round brush. Now guys, here you just have to click and you are done. Whenever, just click on the spots where you want to remove that particular thing or the particle, that pimple. Just click on that spot, so you will be able to remove that blemishes or the skin from that particular area. So you'll be able to fix that pimple. So this is how you can use this tool. There is other tool also which we are going to use later on, so I'll just teach you. First of all, we will just work with this tool. So next we will learn that tool afterwards. So as you can see, this one is literally looking so perfect and kind of cool with this spot removal brush. It will 90% of the skin would be fixed with the help of this spot removal brush. Now here we are going to use this patch tool. You want to see how the magic of this patch tool really works. So let's just select this area and just drag it and drop over here. So as you can see, it has just taken the samples from here and it has fixed over here. Or else you can also take the samples from the clean screen and you are done. So as you can see, we have fixed the thing. Let's just select this and just click on the finest skin where it is present, or let's just take this and just drag it to our forehead skin. So as you can see, this has fixed the tone, or let's just fix to around this area. So as you can see, the spot or the blemishes are gone. Just select and drag to the area where it is not present, that where the blemishes are not there. So this is how you have to you can use this patch tool to fix the that blemishes. Now we will select the healing brush tool. What does this brush tool actually do is pick up the sample from the area where there is no pimple, right? Now we're gonna just fix this, and just by pasting it or just paste the skin or just paint it on the area where there is actually the blemishes are present. So this will actually clean up all the pimples where actually it is. So these three tools are used to remove the blemishes. So you can use any of those, or you can just use according to the situation where it actually needed. Suppose I'll just take a sample from this area and I'm gonna just paint it on over here. So as you can see, the spots have been just removing or decreasing in the visibility, right? So this is how you can fix the skin tone, or you can fix the blemishes from the photo with the help of these three different tools of removing the pimples or the blemishes or the acne from the faces or the unwanted spots. You can also paint it also in order to fix the color tone. So as you can see, this one is literally looking so perfect. Alright, so guys, we have almost done our process of removing the blemishes and all. So as you can see the difference, guys, we have really achieved almost 90% of the things from the face we have fixed. In the next lesson we will learn how to smoothen the skin, right? So as you can see, there are a little bit of the structures are present on the face. We will smoothen up in the next lesson. So here you can see the before and after the image. Here is the before and here is the after, which we have fixed. So as you can see, there is a lot of difference you can find over here, and we just have fixed the blemishes from the face with the help of spot healing brush tool. So you can use this technique to remove the pimples from the face, and you will get this perfect effect of removing and making a clear skin. So as you can see the difference, here is the before and here is the after. A huge difference can be seen without losing the skin quality or texture. We have removed perfectly the blemishes from the face. So guys, today that's it. Just a thing is like that way, that you know how to you don't have to use any other tool. Just use this three tool and you are done with removing the blemishes from the face. So guys, thank you for watching, and just we'll see you in the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.